What's up everyone, this is Deadpool, the Water Bucket in Football Finish 2021 here, and today I got some weird sound to check. When I put in a VCR and it makes weird noises. This is my 2002 VHS of Ice Age. Here's the front, spine, with a profile picture of Sid, and the back. Here's a tape. See what happens. See that? Look at that. It's all. It does make weird noises. See, it's working. It still works. Let's fast forward it. Let's rewind this. Try rewinding. Whoa! It doesn't make weird noises. The rewinding as well. Let's go back to the beginning now. Hear it? Turn it off. See guys? It does make weird noises. when I try to turn it off, when I turn it on, it comes up with the error code. When I exit again, I already ejected. Let's check film strips. See? Tapes are still very good condition. Might still keep it. I might keep this video. I hope you guys and thanks for watching.